The biological speed trap. How sleep deprivation physically slows your brain. We often describe the aftermath of a sleepless night in vague terms. We feel foggy, scatterbrained, or slow. For a long time, these were merely subjective descriptions of exhaustion. However, recent scientific research has moved beyond describing how we feel to explaining what is actually happening to our biological hardware. A new multi-layered study combining human MRI scans with cellular analysis in animal models has revealed that sleep deprivation doesn't just make us tired. It physically degrades the brain's communication infrastructure, causing neural signals to travel more slowly. The mechanics of mental sluggishness. To understand why sleep loss impacts cognition, we must look at white matter. While much of our focus is often on neurons, the cells that send signals, white matter acts as the brain's wiring. It consists of nerve fibers wrapped in a protective coating called myelin. Think of myelin as the insulation on an electrical cable. Just as frayed insulation leads to signal leakage and slower electricity, damaged myelin causes neural impulses to lag. The study identified 3 critical disruptions caused by a lack of sleep. Myelin thinning. Without adequate rest, the protective insulation around neurons begins to wear down. Cholesterol disruption. The brain relies on a steady supply of cholesterol to maintain and repair myelin. Sleep deprivation disrupts the delivery of these essential lipids to the cells responsible for insulation, oligodendrocytes. Delayed signal propagation. As the insulation weakens, communication between the 2 hemispheres of the brain becomes less efficient, leading to measurable delays in how fast information moves. This explains why sleep deprivation manifests as a cocktail of cognitive and motor issues. Your attention spans drop, your memory fails, and your physical coordination falters because your brain's internal internet is experiencing massive latency. Bridging the gap. From cells to symptoms, the researchers utilized a sophisticated approach to connect these microscopic changes to human behavior. By analyzing MRI scans from 185 sleep-deprived adults, they observed structural changes in white matter. They then mirrored these findings in controlled animal studies, measuring the actual speed of nerve conduction. One of the most significant findings involves a potential silver lining. In animal models, researchers were able to prevent some of these neurological deficits by boosting cholesterol delivery to the myelin. This suggests that the damage caused by sleep loss is not just a matter of being tired, but a specific metabolic failure that could, in theory, be targeted through nutritional or medical interventions. Strategies for neurological maintenance. While total sleep deprivation is rarely avoidable in modern life, we can take proactive steps to support the integrity of our brain's wiring. Nutritional support. Since myelin health is closely tied to lipid, fat, metabolism, a diet rich in healthy fats can provide the necessary building blocks for brain insulation. Focus on fatty fish, rich in omega-3s, avocados, and nuts. Eggs. Structural sleep habits. Consistency is key. Aim for 7-9 hours of sleep with a stable schedule to allow for regular cellular repair. Strategic napping. A 20-30-minute power nap can help restore alertness without interfering with your primary sleep cycle. Environment optimization. Minimize light and noise, and reduce screen time before bed to ensure the quality of the sleep you do get is high. Lifestyle integration. Regular exercise. Physical activity has been shown to support both neuronal and glial health, helping to maintain myelin integrity over the long term. Conclusion. Sleep deprivation is more than a feeling of tiredness. It is a physical degradation of the brain's ability to communicate. By understanding that sleep is a vital period of infrastructure maintenance for our neural wiring, we can better appreciate why consistent rest is a biological necessity rather than a luxury.